Hey guys, welcome back to most frequently asked questions and answer for API testing series. So next question they have asked, what is Json? So you guys are already doing practice with the API, right? And definitely you have used this Json, right? If you are a beginner, you can just follow my API testing series, which is I have uploaded there around 46 video, but these are the most frequent asked questions. So JSON stands for JavaScript Object Notation. It is a lightweight. You can see this is the syntax we have already taken the snapshot to data interchange. So what will happen? Some of the applications, suppose we have a make my trip. So make my trip is developed on suppose Java, but in the make my trip when you are going to search, right? So how you are sending those data from the different server, understood, right? So suppose you have to it's searching from the Indigo or others flat application, right? Flights application, right? So other application is developed on the different technology like Python, but this, right, we have a mediator between one application to another application. So here it's have a advantage, right? So data interchange format that is easy for human read, and you can see anyone can read easily and write easily. It's easy to create also for the machine as a parse and generate. It's a commonly used for transmit the data between the server and a client in the web application. We have a many example, guys. So you are going to order from the Zomato for pizza. So when you will search in the pizza, so you are sending the request, right? That server is giving the response. Suppose Domino's is giving the all the information in your response, right? So this communication will happen, this person, this whatever the request and whatever the response you are getting. Suppose Zomato is developed on the different application, and Domino's having the different technology they have used, right? But this is the common, right? This is the common to communicate with both application. Many examples we have if you understand the concept, right? So you can see here, so JSON is a language independent, means it does not matter, right, which application develop on Python or develop on JavaScript or any other technology. It doesn't matter. So meaning it can be used for with the many programming language, but it is based on the JavaScript syntax. It is based on the JavaScript syntax. So you can see in the JSON we are sending the in the key value format. We have a many complex syntax, so we can have some separate session for this, but as of now this is enough to explain in your interview. Remember that while explaining you can try to relate with some of the real-time example, like you can take the example of make my trip, Zomato, or many applications are there, understood, right? So you can take that example. So it's a more like interviewer will understand clearly what you are trying to say, and XML, right? In the REST API, mostly we are using the JSON format, and SOAP-UI we use XML format. XML is bit complex as compared to JSON. You can see here I have given some snapshot for the XML as well. So if you have a complex application and also we can use this XML, but the job almost are same. So XML is what extensible markup language, the meaning of XML. It's a flexible structured markup language is to store, transport the data. It is both human readable and machine readable, and making a popular format for the data interchange between the system, especially in the web services. If you will compare with the JSON readability, XML is more verbose than JSON, which can make it harder to read and write. Flexibility, XML is more flexible in terms of data structures, allowing the attribute and mixed content. With JSON has a simpler structure with key value pair. And usage, XML is often used in a scenario where the complex where we have a complex data structure and metadata needed to represent it. And while JSON is preferred for the lightweight and data interchange, especially in your web application. So still many of the companies are using this SOAP UI, where they are we use your XML, but this XML is bit complex as compared to JSON. Okay, so this is your differences between, if someone will ask the difference between JSON or XML, so you guys are clearly able to explain. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you are new in the channel, please subscribe and press bell icon. See you in the next video. Bye bye.